Hi everyone. Today we'll be briefing the analytic project details on the topic Employee Attrition Rate Analysis of EQUINOX Hotels. I am Sri Lakshmi Mohan, handling the role of data analyst in this analytics project. Before moving to the project details, I would like to give a brief introduction on what employee attrition rate is and about the EQUINOX Hotels organization. Employee attrition rate. It is the percentage of employees the company have lost or the employees who have resigned from the company over a period of time. Recently, after this post-pandemic situation, we are seeing a huge spike in the attrition rates of workforce in almost all the major sectors. Even the highly reputed firms with the best management team are also struggling to retain their skilled employees. In our project, we are analyzing the attrition rate, reasons for attrition, and its business impact on EQUINOX Hotels. EQUINOX Hotels. It is a subsidiary of EQUINOX Group, which is headquartered in New York. It is a multinational company founded in 1994 and has branches in major urban US markets, Canada, and London, with plans to continue its growth in coming years. The organization is dealing with hotel investment, management, acquisition, and development. The EQUINOX Hotels provide high-performance living, and this is a place where compromise simply doesn't exist. They have a high reputation in terms of guest services and excellent work environment for their staffs. But as per the latest reports, their overall turnover is affected due to the high staff attrition rates. Most of their skilled employees are resigning from the organization, and the talent development team is also confused with this high resignation rates, as the organization is considered as the one offering better work environment. So, the management team have initiated this project to analyze the attrition rates for the given time span, reasons for attrition, and how their business is affected with less skilled workforce. They also wanted to determine what went wrong in their existing system and ways to retain their skilled employees. This is the overall introduction about the organization and our project. The next part is Meet our team. Here we'll be briefing the analytics project team details. Meet Srushti Sawant, developer in the team. She has an excellent knowledge in programming areas. She is the one handling the development section, technical reports and presentations. Next is Navneet Kaur. She is the team leader, having expertise in mathematics. She coordinates the overall team plans, handles communication with clients, and major reports and presentations. Next is Sri Lakshmi Mohan, that's myself, and I'm having an expertise in programming and analytics part. I am handling the overall data analysis section, analytics report, and presentations. On to the project objectives. Our main objective is to analyze how attrition rate is affecting the overall business and profit of EQUINOX Hotels. The deliverables coming under the project scope is to determine attrition rate, why attrition rate increased, and employee concerns and job satisfaction level. We will also analyze the drawbacks of current working systems or environment and suggest measures to increase the workforce retention rate. The analytics project team won't be creating any web applications or database to store employee records, and also won't be implementing the employee retention schemes. These are out of scope as per our listed project deliverables. The mentioned section will be handled by IT and management teams respectively. Next comes to our project outcomes. This project will help in determining workforce attrition rate, improvising the existing workforce management models, and thereby increasing the business profit by retaining skilled workforce. These are our project outcomes, and remaining sections of this presentations will be handled by Navneet Kaur. Over to you, Navneet. To the project outcome.
Hello, I am Navneet Kaur. I work on this project as a team leader. Here I am presenting process visualization. In process visualization, I initiate with client requirement. In this first step, we understand the client requirements, what they want and what they need, and analyze on which part we have to work on, so that we can suggest the best way to decrease the attrition rate. Then we prepare the charter and final proposal and present in front of client. Further, we design the data and data model. And next step is to development, where we collect the data and start exploration. This whole testing is done through agile methodology. In this methodology, planning is the first step, and then design, develop, test, release, and feedback. Feedback is the most important part of this for the successful project. Moving further, business process visualization, where we analyze the whole system of hotel. There are three major areas, that is customer, employee, and manager. In this project, we work on database which we collected from these three domains. Now, data analysis plan. It includes 4 milestones. First, understand project need, that is target and location, clean data, data analysis and reforming data, creating forecasting methods, creating model, test model, and fourth is data visualization, charting and preparing final report. Next, analysis model overview. First is understand the reason of attrition. Why employees resigning from the hotels? What are the reasons behind this? And the second is understand employee demands. In which part hotel management is lacking to satisfy the employee demands. We have to understand the reasons why they are lacking in this area. Understand hotel demand. Third part is understand hotel demand so that we can provide you the best way of solution of your problem. These are the tools which we worked on: MS Excel, Power BI, Python, and Tableau to analyze the data and collect the data. That's all from my side. Thank you so much. Further, Srishti will represent the remaining part.
Hi there, I'm Srishti Sawant and today I'm going to cover 3 topics in this video. They are ethics, data management plan, implementation plan, and in the end of this video I'm going to provide sources and references. Let's dive into our first topic, that is business ethics. What is business ethics and why is it so important? Business ethics is the study of practices and policies that companies use to guide them through decisions about finances, negotiation, and deals, social responsibility, and many more. And why is it so important? Without a robust code of ethics, a company risks breaking the laws, failing into financial trouble, facing unethical situation. When a brand loses a, when a brand loses trust, it can jeopardize the sales and harm employees. Now let's dive into our second topic, that is data management plan. Data is the key component for analyzing. In this project, we will require data of information about the employees, their position, their job, tenure levels, work location, time frame, their income, their education history, and other factors. Such data is extracted from various sources and will store in data warehouse. Now, what is data warehouse? Data warehouse is center of information that can be analyzed to more inform decisions. In simple word, data warehouse is a system used for analyzing and reporting of data from different sources to make decision plans. It is very crucial to manage this data to reduce data redundancy and data integrity problem. Databases are generally accessed electronically from computer system and are usually controlled by data management system. Now there are five major key components of database. They are hardware, software, security, procedure, and data access language. Hardware refers to physical electronical device such as computers and hard disks that offer the interface between computer and real world system. Software is set of programs used to manage and control the database that includes database software, operating system, network software used to share data with other users, and application used to access data. Security. Data security is the practice of protecting digital information from unauthorized access, corruption, or theft throughout its entire life cycle. Procedure. Procedure refers to instruction used in database management system that encompasses everything from instruction to set up, install, login, logout, manage the day-to-day operation, take backups of data, and generate report. Lastly, database access language. Database access language is a language used to write commands to access, update, delete data stored in database. Now let's talk about our last topic, that is implementation plan. Our first task is to conduct various community workplace welfare events. This will not only help to reduce stress from work but also improve bonding. It could be cool to include various technologies like hologram lights and digital photo booths. It will bring energy to this event. This event will be managed by Lauren Gray, an Emmy winner. Our second task would be providing services for mental pressure. Working could be very stressful, which can affect mental health. Establishing mental health center will help workers to present mental issues like depression and anxiety. Our next task is to hire more employees like freshers to reduce workload on for reducing workload on our current employees. For that, we will require to conduct exams for hiring talented freshers. We are required to develop software for employability test It would be handled by Taran Shah. Lastly, we need to change interior design of our office to improve work environment.